This is Gaige with a lesson on adjectives. An adjective is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Some examples are small, large, square, round, poor, and wealthy. An example of using it in a sentence is they live in a beautiful house, or she wore a beautiful dress. Oh, I forgot to mention, there are 3 different types of adjectives. The first one is a normal adjective. The second one is age adjectives, such as old, young, or 2-year-old. But this looks like three of them, but it's only one because it's hyphenated. The last one is color adjectives, like beaming, bold, or bright. That is it for this lesson. I hope you learned something new and keep using adjectives.